What's up, Gadgeteers? My name is Hector and this is Gadget Beard. Welcome back to the channel. As you know, the holidays are just around the corner and I just wanted to give you something very simple, this gadget review here that we got coming on, but it's something that you can give a kid, a grandparent, or somebody that you want to give them something nice but don't want to break the bank, and you don't want to give them something like an expensive tablet. We're talking about a tablet here, an affordable tablet, but we don't want to go ahead and spend the high quality money on a tablet because you don't know how well they're going to take care of it. So this is basically perfect for anyone elderly just looking to consume content, or for anyone who's looking to purchase a first time tablet for their kids. So without further ado, let's go ahead and take a look at what we're looking at here. And this is a 10.1 inch tablet running Android 15, and it's from Ammy. It is running Ammy AIOS. It's a 64 octa-core Cortex A55 processor. Let's see what else is on the back. On the back, it tells us absolutely no specs. So yes, it's 128 gigabyte RAM, tablet computer basically, and that's about it. So without further ado, this is what you're going to get when you initially purchase this. Very nice packaging. Let's go ahead and unbox this and take a look at the actual. It farted. Did you hear that? It actually farted. That's awesome. You should buy it now because this thing farts. It makes fart sounds. Who doesn't like that? So what we're going to look at is what's included when you purchase this, and you're going to get the tablets itself. Let's go ahead and put that aside. You get the user manual right here with Ammy AIOS, and you do get a charging brick and a USB-A to Type-C charging cable. At least they include the charging brick and your charging cable. Nothing else is included. Let me go ahead and make sure. Yes, nothing else is included. So let's go ahead and take a closer look at the tablet here. Very good, nice size tablet, 10.1. You do have a camera on the back with a flash, and you do have speakers here. I like how they labeled everything. Speakers, microphone, a earphone jack right there, which is fantastic. And on the side, you're going to get volume up and down, power button, another mic, a micro SD card slot right here, Type-C, and that is about it. This kind of opens up like this, so you can expand. It's pretty hard to get in there. Let's see this. Come on. We can get it. Apparently we can. So it's micro SD card slot right there. So you can actually expand from the included 128 gigabytes of RAM. Let's see if this thing has any power and power this bad boy on. I'm gonna go ahead and set it up, and then I'm gonna give you a quick rundown of the tablet, and then I'm gonna give you my overall impressions if I think it's worth picking up for like your kids or somebody elderly that just likes to consume content and stuff like that. All right, we're back. I've been using the tablet for a couple hours now, and right off the bat, you know, it's not the snappiest tablet you're gonna see right now in a little bit, but it's overall what this tablet, I think what it's intended for, it's just perfect, especially when this is like priced under $100. You can't expect a super fast, super efficient tablet, right? This is a tablet under $100. I think it's, in my opinion, I think it's more of a entertainment tablet just to consume media and move on. So let's go ahead and walk through this real quick. So right off the back at the beginning, there was a update. So there was an update with that, but you do got some preloaded apps here. That is actually not. Let's go. Where are the? Okay, here we go. This URAO, I have no idea what this is, but there's like, I don't know if there's content on here or what it is. It's a bunch of like preloaded content that you can pick. I really have no idea where this is from. I don't even know if it will load properly. As you can see, it's not loading up any of the thumbnails. You can't even see them. So let me back out of there. And then, as you can see, it's not the snappiest. It kind of choppy in that, but you do have access to the Play Store. So the Play Store is there. So you are going to have access to the Play Store. All your Google apps, as you can see, there's a bunch of Google apps here. Files. YouTube works just fine. Let me go ahead and do one of my videos so we don't get demonetized right here. My name is Hector, and let me give you a glimpse of the speakers. You live and die by your devices, laptops, phones, tablets. There are lifelines, but what happens when that battery icon turns red at the worst possible? And you know, the speakers are not that great, as you can. They're decent enough, but you do have a headphone jack there, so you can plug the headphone jack, and then you can go about your listening experience with your headphones. If the speakers is all you have, then I guess they'll do, but they're not the loudest. Let me give you a quick description or spec rundown of the device. Obviously, this is an Ammy AIOS. You got some random access memories, the 4 gig plus 20 gig of smart storage, has a 5,000 milliamp hour battery. It has an 8-core processor. The cameras, the main and the front. The main's an 8 megapixel and the front is a 5 megapixel. The resolution of the display is 1280 by 800 and it's about 10.1 inches. It is running Android 15 and I believe it's on the July security update. And then if we go into your settings here, you do have some customization here, some network, and I've never seen an Ethernet customization here. I don't know how you're going to connect Ethernet, maybe by a dongle or something, but you do have an Ethernet setting there. You can hotspot it. I don't even know how you're going to hotspot if this doesn't have a SIM. So I don't know how you're going to hotspot that. It has connected devices for your Bluetooth and all your other stuff. All the apps here currently installed. Your notification menu, your battery, all your battery settings here. Storage, 128 gigabyte, like I mentioned earlier, and then 35 of it is used. Your sound settings here. Your display settings. Wallpaper, accessibility, security. I think the only security is your screen lock, location, your Google passwords and stuff like that. But other than that, digital well-being is there, your Google account, your system, and I don't think it's due. I think I checked for a system update and it is on the July 5th security update. So besides that, I don't know what else to say. I mean, if you're going to use it just to consume media, YouTube or anything like that, Netflix or anything like that, most definitely you can. It's going to work just fine. It doesn't have the greatest display, it doesn't have the greatest speakers. And I mean, it's snappy enough. It's not the smoothest, but it is capable of using it on a daily basis. Link to this will be in the description of the video if you want to go ahead and pick one up for yourself in case you want to gift it or pick it up for your children just to consume YouTube media and not worry about them chucking this across the living room there, cracking it, chucking it across the car or anything like that. Or if you want to give it to your parents, elderly couple that doesn't necessarily need something very powerful, they just want to sit there in their chair, consume some YouTube, consume some media and be happy with that. I think this is perfect for any of those two scenarios. But if you have any questions regarding this tablet, please leave them down in the comment section below. Please like, share and subscribe, and like always, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.